So we're gonna do some lime because you can't have no fish without no lime, y'all. And we're gonna go straight. Yo, these are salad fries right here, Chef and Turf. They just hit different, y'all. Really smacking. Come try them out, y'all. You know you gotta wash it down with the jarrito. We're going with the grapefruit today. Let's go. Mm-hmm. Oh, you serious?
Pescado dorado. It's really good. And I
Check
put
it out, y'all.
some al mojo de ajo on the side. You
Mm-hmm.
dip it in there and it's really good.
Can't even say nothing right now. Whoa. You know who? Yo, check this fish out that she just brought out, man. Una mojarra entera right here, y'all. Crazy, man. Let's go. So we're gonna do some lime because you can't have no fish without no lime, y'all. And we're gonna go straight into it like this with the tortilla, with the leftover tortilla. Let's get a perfect bite. Look at that. Look at that flaky fish. So we got al mojo de ajo sauce right here. It's like a garlic base sauce. Mmm. Wow. All right, bro. Look at this fish, y'all. Nice, crispy, flaky. Dip into this base, this garlic base sauce right here. Check this flaky fish out. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Right off the bone. Look at that. Look at that. Check it out. Right into the monja de ajo sauce. Yo, that fish did not have a chance. Bro, for real. So we got a fish taco right here, y'all. A fish taco. I can't even see where the fish is at under all that. But let's get some lemon in there. Right here at Alegres Marisquero, Turlock, California. Yo, look at this taco. Look at this fish taco, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. How are we gonna bite it? I don't know, but we're gonna do it. So, all right, this one's for y'all. Yo, we just got done eating a fish taco right here, y'all. I don't remember the last time I had a fish taco that good. You guys gotta come try the fish tacos. I gotta start eating more fish tacos, you guys. So if you guys know any places with fish tacos, let me know in the comments, y'all. Fish tacos, I'm coming for you. Let's go.